Hi, I'm Freek from Hable. Let's learn how to make a note on the iPhone using your Hable One. When you hear the voiceover say Note, select the app by pressing dot 7 and 8 together.
Notes. Double. Notes. Folders. Back button.
The first item on the screen is Back button. The last item on the screen is New Note. Now be aware, for some iPhones, this button is one item before the last item on the screen. Now, to make a new note, first navigate to the last item holding dot 4, 5 and 6 together. Then press dot 7 and 8 together to select the new note.
Toolbar. 38 note. New note.
In the next screen, you can start typing your note. The first line is the title. To move to the next line, press dot 5 and 8 together. To remove a character, press dot 7 once. To add a spacebar, press dot 8 once.
New line. H A B L O E space Hable.
Now, to save a note, navigate to the Done button. The Done button is 3 items after the first item on the screen. Navigate to the first item on the screen by holding dot 1, 2 and 3 together. Next, move forward by holding dot 7 and pressing dot 8 3 times.
Notes. Back. Note action. Done. Button.
Then select the Done button by pressing dot 7 and 8 together.
Done. Notes. Back button.
And that's it. That's how you make and save a note on the iPhone using your Hable One.
Hable, always in control.